Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make vegan royal icing. Traditional royal icing is made with egg whites. To replace the egg whites, I'm going to use aquafaba. Aquafaba is basically liquid that you get when you drain chickpeas. So it's essentially a chickpea brine. And then the process is pretty much the same as with traditional royal icing. So we're going to add aquafaba into a bowl, and I'm also going to add a little bit of cream of tartar. If you don't have cream of tartar, you can also use about half teaspoon strained lemon juice. We're gonna beat it until frothy, and then we can add all of the powdered sugar and then continue beating it on low speed. Now I'm going to add a splash of white food coloring, beat that in. As far as the flavors go, I always like to use vanilla as the base flavor, and then you can add other flavors as well. So today I'm adding vanilla, and then I'm also going to add lemon and almond flavor. They really go together so well, it creates a really nice flavor. And I'm going to beat it until thick and smooth. So our vegan royal icing is ready, and at this point you can color it or you can store it in a refrigerator until you're ready to use it. For a printable recipe, be sure to visit my blog. Link is listed in the description box under the video. Once you are ready to color your vegan royal icing, you're going to add gel food coloring. I'm adding some pink gel food coloring, and we're just gonna mix it in. And at this point, you need to thin your royal icing to a more fluid consistency so you can ice the cookies. So I'm using spray bottle, and I'm just adding a little bit of water at a time. This way you don't add too much at once. And I'm looking for about 15-second consistency. And now we can bag the icing. I'm using disposable tipless piping bags, and to seal the end of the bag, I like to use my bag sealer. This is a really great gadget to have. I highly recommend it. It comes with a blade at the bottom. You can trim off the excess on your bag, and I also like to use number of stripes on my piping bags depending on the fluidity of the icing. So general rule I use is higher the number of stripes, more fluid the icing. This is really useful if you are using same color but you have 3 different consistencies. To cut the piping bag, find a seam, press it in the middle like so, and then use scissors and cut across in a straight line. And now you are ready to decorate the cookies. I actually used my vegan royal icing to make these pretty Valentine's Day Be Mine honeycomb cookies. You can find a tutorial on my YouTube channel, and all the recipes and tools are also posted on the blog. I'm going to include links in the description box under the video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified about my new uploads. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.